Yeah, hi, Tom Schaefer here, Blossom Installations. As I finish up this Dodge Viper audio installation, I wanted to show you guys the amplifier installation in the trunk and the design and thought process behind it. So what we're looking at is the back wall of the trunk. The carpeting with the Dodge Viper emblem on it is the original OEM carpet. Since we were mounting the amplifier on this back wall, I didn't want to ruin the integrity of the original carpeting. One of the most important things to remember when working on any vehicle, especially a supercar like this one, is that the vehicle's integrity comes first and foremost, even more than the audio system itself. So when you build an audio system in a supercar like this, you really want the audio system to complement the original design and build of the vehicle. What you don't want to do is cut the car apart in the sake of audio and call it custom. Once that's done, the vehicle can never be put back together, and once the integrity of a car like this is lost, there goes the value with it. So with that said, this back factory carpet, in order to keep it all original, I chose not to use it. What I did was I made a template with the factory carpet and cut out a new piece of carpeting to glue up on the back wall. This new piece of carpeting on the back wall, I was able to cut holes in it and not ruin the integrity of the original carpeting. So this was we wanted to do a design that was finished in the end, but we didn't want to go crazy with the expense of a full-blown trunk. He still wanted to use the trunk, still wanted to keep full use of it. So we chose to mount the amplifier on the back wall, and what I did was a multi-piece amplifier rack to finish it all off. So this small piece on the inset is wrapped in suede and it's press fitted into the outer carpeted shell. So in order to service the amp or remove it in the future, this inner piece comes off. There are then two screws along each side of the amplifier holding the amplifier rack to it. Once you remove these two screws, the shell of the amplifier rack is then removable. Now the amplifier is mounted up on the back wall. The amplifier rack, I recessed 6 machine thread sockets, 4 to hold the amplifier and 2 to hold the amplifier rack. If you ever wanted to put this vehicle back to factory, remove the screws, put the carpeting back over it, back to OEM. That's it, done.